Hey, what's going on, folks? Welcome to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. I'm actually here in Washington, D.C. I'm heading towards the White House. Yeah, no, I do not work at the White House, but definitely gonna check the White House out before the holidays. So come along, let's see what it looks like. They do have a really awesome Christmas tree in the yard, South Lawn by the White House. So we're gonna check that out, and we'll just scope out DC. See how DC is preparing for the winter, but more importantly how it's preparing for the Christmas season. So let's check that out. Visiting the White House Historical Museum. It's a pretty awesome place. I got my bag of history here, which is pretty cool. They have a lot of like specialty stuff from back in the days, so that's exciting. So we are actually at the White House Park. I don't think I'm allowed here because behind these gates is actually the entrance to the White House. So I think this is as far as I could go. I'm gonna keep walking until someone tells me not to walk anymore. But in front of the White House you have this statue of a deer commemorations. This is on Connecticut Avenue and 8th Street. We'll keep walking down. These are houses on this side here, condos. Over here it says White House Historical Association behind me. And we'll keep checking it out, see what we find. Most of these folks out here, they work at the White House. So they work with different senators, congressmen. I think you can actually only have special access to go through here. But I'll check it out for the first time, see what it's like. I don't think I've ever actually, so I used to live in DC for a long time now. I don't think I've ever actually come this side of the White House. Always something unique. This is Lafayette Park, and this used to be COVID time. This used to be boarded up, so you never got this close look of it. Looks really nice. Show you from the other side. Yeah, so straight through those gates, I think you enter to the White House, but only certain people can enter. I'm not on the list, so I can't go in. It would be cool if I could though, but I'm not one of those special invitees. Yeah, walking in a piece of history right now. Alright, so it's pretty cool. Nice chill vibes outside. We got a little bit of folks walking around enjoying the afternoon. This is the Lafayette Park right here. It's pretty cool. You come here and just grab a seat, and I'll give you the awesome view of the White House. It's a spectacular Christmas tree here. So there you have it, folks. This is the White House. Behind me is where President of the United States is with his family, and this is Lafayette Park that I'm walking around. It's Friday afternoon, holidays are coming up. This is a really great place to come chill, and you're in front of history right here, which is just amazing. Festive place, great music, wonderful park. How can this experience get better? This is history right at your footstep. So really having a good time, enjoying this moment, enjoying DC, my favorite city in the world to live in and to work and to just experience is the city here. So yeah, definitely recommend. Make sure you visit. Check out all the awesome spots. I've done many videos in DC, so hopefully you check out one of those playlists, and yeah, maybe you find something really exciting when you're here. So we'll see you on the next video. I'm gonna keep walking around, and I'll give you some more content as I'm walking around, so you can check out all the different areas that I'm walking through. So make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment if you've been to DC before. Love to hear that, so leave that in the chat, and we'll see you in the next video. Right in front of me, this actually says Black Lives Matter. You can't really see it right now, but if you go from an aerial view, you'll see the Black Lives Matter painted on the road. This used to be a center for a lot of protests, but right now it's dedicated for support of Black Lives Matter cause. So pretty cool, awesome. This actually looks completely different now. When I was here in the protest time, it was more of just a road, but now they have islands in between.